Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Ford Ranger stock in 6026. This ran from the 5th 2022 to the current shape. It has an RA 3 litre V6 diesel turbo engine backed by 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the RA 3 litre V6 diesel turbo engine. Left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory laminated tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory laminated tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory laminated tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,